guys. So today we're gonna try this hot Cheetos.
Oh, sorry, I just made my. So, by the way, welcome to the channel. If you're new here,
It's round 3.
hey, Vera, get your.
And it's the second part. It's coming. The other part is already there. So
And
we don't
this
have
is
to
the
wait.
second. Yeah, we're literally.
This is round 3, by the way. We did
Look at my tongue.
round 1 and round 2.
It's so red.
the other video. Yeah, we're so red. Our tongues are
Kasi masyado malapit, dito kasi
My tongue is literally burning because of hot. Let's yap about how spicy it is.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's
Just
yap.
Let's yap.
Okay, enough yapping.
That's enough.
Let's
Start.
start. In we're gonna try it now. 2, 1. Okay, let's try. Okay, pick one. Get one. Get one. Hey, I didn't eat one yet, so I'm safe. It's getting in. It's like sour cream, but then it kicks in.
I don't know how you Americans can eat a bunch of these while playing Fortnite in your PS5.
Even guys, show the camera the milk.
Even Takis.
Yeah.
How can you eat like maxed up Takis?
Even the most
Guys, lick your fingers also. I dare you.
heck no. So sour at the start.
Yeah. A disclaimer: there's gonna be some gross stuff. Maybe some of us are just gonna throw water everywhere, or something because we're just. Hey guys. Okay, let's start round 2.
Round 4.
Round 4.
Round 4. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
If you put it by your cheek, it will not spice.
Really?
I think it will work.
Oh yeah, because your tongue tastes it.
This guy's a dum-dum.
I need to mix water and drink.
Yeah, I know. That's so.
Oh. Ah! When you do that, you mix the hot Cheetos and the water. It tastes like
I think
hot
someone
water. Bit this and then put back.
That's gross.
He didn't put it.
Okay. Okay, guys, in for the video. Part 5 coming in. Bye.